Hey there, I'm out running errands today. I'm off work, and I have found a food truck that I know the guy that runs it. Well, kinda. He used to be the cook at Moe's Original Barbecue, and I just happened to find him on Facebook. And he said he had a food truck. So everything that Moe's used to have was really good. So I decided I would find his food truck. Now, let me show you his food truck. It is in Maryville at, well, let's see if I don't know whether I can do this or not. There we go. There it is. Pistol Creek Eats. And today, he is in Maryville at the Co-op. And so he made me a barbecue sandwich. And he uses this, I'm not sure what I like slaw and all kinds of ooey gooey stuff. He's got this white sauce that he used to use at Moe's that's really good. So I'm having the barbecue sandwich. Oh my gosh, so good. Man, that sauce is wonderful. That is so good. Wow. I will be back. I don't come to Maryville often, and I just came today to find his truck. The only bad thing about his food truck is he didn't have Dr. Pepper. Josh, work on that. But let me tell you, this sandwich makes up for it. So if you're in Maryville or Alcoa, come to the Co-op and then follow him on Facebook and Instagram so that you'll know where he is. It's Pistol Creek Eats, and I will tag him, but you gotta try it. It's so good.